Now once you get it in that hole, you just push and twist it down in there. And the idea is to clean out the debris and stuff in the hole. And you just clean out the debris, and the tires have these basically wires in them to help with the stability of them and the strength of them. And you want to clear all those out. Alright, and basically just keep twisting that down in there, and then you pull it up, down and out like this once you get it in. Alright, I'm gonna pause for a minute. Now I got it cleaned out sufficiently. I'm gonna take this tool right here. Let me keep the tire from rolling off from me. Take this tool here, and I'm gonna take one of these. Hold on. The tire tried to roll off again. Take one of these, and I'm gonna thread it through that little hole in that tool there. Kind of like threading a needle, basically. All right. And you want to thread it to where it's like that. Like that. Then, where did I put the cement glue? There it is. You take this rubber cement. You open that. See, it's sealed, but the cap actually comes with a little spike in it. I don't know if you can see that good. To open that seal, it's at the top of the cap. You flip the cap over, and you just press it in there. Twist a little bit, and it'll come out. Got some of it on my finger just now. And you want to put it on this thing here. You're going to put it on your plug. Alright. I got it all down my plug. I left this stuck in there so I could find the hole and it won't leak as fast. So I don't have to put as much air in there when I go to fill it back up. And I pull that back out. See all that air coming out? I stick it in, this in there. And you want to stick it in there till it's about halfway, till about only half of this plug is sticking out. Alright, I'm going to do that. And once you get it in there about like that, stick it in a little bit more. A little deeper. About right there. That should be good enough. And then you twist this to break it loose from there, and you pull it out. Just pull it straight out. Pull it out. Once you pull it out, it'll leave that plug in there. Now here's something I like to do. That's a little bit extra. I take a little more of this glue, this rubber cement, and I like to put it around the plug. You don't have to do that. That's just my preference. And this tire is officially plugged. Now I just got to go fill it back up. Also, while I got it on here, I'm going to show you where you find how much air you put in a tire on your car. You open your driver's side door and you look for a sticker like that. And right here, it says my car has requires 33 PSI in each tire. And the spare tire requires 60 actually on this car.